Hi, this is Clay Selland with Signet Mortgage, and I'm here today to talk to you about why you don't need 20% to buy a home if you're a veteran and have served this country. First, thank you for your service, and second, there are many benefits that come with using your VA home loan to refinance or buy a home. The VA home loan offers unbeatable benefits for veterans. For those who qualify, the VA loan program is the best possible mortgage. It is backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs and is designed to help active military personnel, veterans, and certain other groups become homeowners at an affordable cost. The VA loan asks for no down payment. It requires no mortgage insurance and has lenient rules about qualifying, among other advantages. Benefit number one, no down payment. Most home loan programs require that you make at least a small down payment to buy a home. The VA home loan is an exception. Rather than paying 5, 10, 20% or more for the home's purchase price, with a VA home loan, you can finance up to 100% of the home's purchase price. The VA loan is a true no money down option. Benefit number two, no mortgage insurance. Typically, lenders require you to pay for mortgage insurance if you make a down payment that is less than 20%. This insurance is known as PMI or private money insurance. For a conventional loan, and this protects the lender in the event that you default on your loan. VA loans require neither down payment or mortgage insurance. That makes the VA-backed mortgage very affordable. Benefit number three, government guarantee. There's a reason why VA loans come with such great terms and no mortgage insurance. The federal government guarantees that a portion of the loan will be repaid to the lender even if you're unable to make your monthly payments for any reason. This guarantee allows lenders to offer the VA home loan with very attractive terms and rates. Benefit number four, a variety of VA mortgages. That means that a VA loan can have a fixed rate or an adjustable rate. You can also use your VA loan to buy a house, a condo, a new home, a manufactured home, a duplex, and other properties. You also have the option to use your VA loan to refinance your existing mortgage to make repairs or improvements on your home or make your home more energy efficient. Benefit five, easier to qualify. Like all mortgage types, the VA home loan requires specific documentation, an acceptable credit history, and sufficient income to make your monthly payments. But as compared to other loan programs, the VA loan guidelines tend to be more flexible. This is made possible because of the VA loan guarantee. Benefit number six, closing costs are lower. VA limits the amount lenders can charge for VA loan applicants. This is another way the loan could be more affordable than other types of loans. The money saved can be used for decorating, furniture, moving costs, improvements, and anything else. Benefit seven, funding fee flexibility. The VA loan requires a funding fee, which is an upfront cost based on your loan amount, type of eligible service, down payment, as well as some other funding factors. Funding fees don't need to be paid in cash. The VA allows it to be financed with a loan, so nothing is due at closing, and not all VA borrowers will pay it. A VA funding fee can be waived for veterans who receive a disability compensation and for unmarried surviving spouses of veterans who died in service or as a result of a service-connected disability. Benefit number eight, VA loans are assumable. That means you can transfer your VA loan to a future homebuyer if that person is also VA eligible. Assumable loans can be a huge benefit when you go to sell your home in the future, especially in a rising mortgage rate environment. If your home loan today has a low market rate and market rates rise in the future, the assumption feature of your VA home loan becomes even more valuable. Oh, there's a bonus. No loan limit. If you search the internet, you will find a range of answers, often citing loan limit by county and perhaps in high-cost areas to just over $1 million. That's not correct. The VA guarantees a portion of the loan amount, so there are lenders we have access to that do not have a limit to how high the loan can go, as long as the veteran can qualify. We completed a condo purchase that was well north of the published loan limit recently. It was awesome for the client. So if you're looking to buy a home, refinance a home, give me a call. I can help you. Thanks so much for watching. This is Clay Selland with Signet Mortgage. You can connect with me. The contact information is below, 925-807-1503 or clay@signetmortgage.com. Take care.